2019 Mazda MX-5 Miata could see 26 horsepower bump to 181 ponies. Mazda's MX-5 Miata Roadster has never been a car consumed with power. In fact, its distinct lack of horsepower is part of its back-to-basics sports car appeal. The current generation Miata actually has less output, just 155 ponies than the car it replaced. But Road and Track has uncovered evidence that could soon change. In an annual van notice sent to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, Mazda lists the 2019 model year 1010-5 Miata's engine as a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 181 horsepower, 26 more than it has now and the most ever from a factory Miata. The second-generation Miata's turbocharged Mazdaspeed variant only made 178 horsepower. How Mazda reaches that number, assuming the NHTSA filing is accurate, is the million-dollar question. The NHTSA document does not specify whether the 2.0-liter engine in question is an evolution of the same Skyactiv G unit currently in the Miata or something else, like, say, the brand's forthcoming high-tech gas-fed supercharged, compression ignition-capable Skyactiv X engine. The X is slated to appear sometime in the next year or two in the next-generation Mazda 3 Compact, and its preliminary output figure roughly matches the 181 horsepower number listed for the 2019 Miata. On the other hand, the Skyactiv G is sticking around throughout the Mazda lineup for the foreseeable future as the entry-level offering positioned beneath the Skyactiv X. And Mazda has told us it will continue to develop the G going forward. As such, a 26 horsepower bump isn't out of the question, assuming the G would be given better intake and exhaust plumbing and tweaks to engine internals to raise its 6,800 revolution per minute redline by a few hundred revolutions per minute. Horsepower being calculated as a function of engine speeds and torque generally means that the faster an engine spins, the more power it'll make. The Skyactiv G engine already boasts an incredibly high 13:1 compression ratio and runs on premium gasoline. Maybe Mazda will employ a small supercharger like that fitted to the Skyactiv X engine, or a similarly compact turbocharger, although neither is mentioned in the NHTSA filing. What is certain is that if the Miata is a blast with 155 horsepower, and also surprisingly quick, thanks to its light weight, it'll be a full-on Molotov cocktail-chucking riot with 181 ponies under the hood. Mazda's document filing also reveals changes in store for the Miata's trim level structure. Look for the lineup to grow from Sport, Club, and Grand Touring trims, the latter two the only choices for today's hardtop Miata RF, to include a base SV spec and a new range-topping SE Special Edition in Mazdaspeed with the RF now matching the soft-top Roadster trim for trim. More power and more choices? We can't wait for 2019.